Pointer is a variable that holds a memory address of another variable. What is the pointer? Pointer is a variable that holds the memory address of another variable. So in this example, you can see here. So it has the two variables, that is A and B. Okay, ಯಾವುದ್ಯಾವ್ದಿದೆ variable A ಮತ್ತೆ B. And what are the storage addresses? So this is computer generated storage addresses. Okay, that no need to be memorized and all. So that it includes from 0, 0, 0 up to some values. Okay, so this variable A is stored in some address space and that has some content. Okay, so what is pointer? Pointer is a variable. So it is a variable that you have to keep it in mind. It's a variable that holds a memory address of another variable. Okay, so in this it has the two variables A and B, and pointer is a variable that holds the address of another variable. Okay, so what is the content here? 1008, and this 1008 is a storage address. Okay, this address or this variable points to another variable, so that this B variables contains what? Some storage address that is indicated by another variable called A. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಎ ಮತ್ತು ಬಿ ಎರಡು ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಓಕೆನಾ, ಅದಕ್ಕೇನಿರುತ್ತೆ? ಸ್ಟೋರೇಜ್ ಅಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಪಾಯಿಂಟರ್ ಇಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಎ ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ ದಟ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಟು ದ address of another variable. So what is the address of another variable here? 1008. So this variable A is going to point to another variable called B, that is 1008. Okay, so this is how pointer works. It's going to point to the another variable address, and that holds a memory address of another variable. It means like what it can be like, a pointer is a variable that holds a memory address of another variable. For example, you are knowing the address of your friend's house, so that can be taken as an example for this pointer. Then you are a pointer or you are a variable that you holds a memory address of your friend's house, that is another variable. Okay, that could be taken as an example. And pointer has several advantages. By making use of this pointer concept in our programming, we can have several advantages or utilizations. So now we'll see what are the advantages and all. It is possible to write the efficient program. So by making use of the concept of pointer, we can write efficient program because it enhances the execution speed of a program. For example, if you already know the address of your friend's house, then you can directly go to your friend's house without any interruption. But if you are not knowing your friend's house address, then what you have to do? You have to seek for the particular address. So pointer is what? It's a variable that holds the address of another variable. So that what is the advantage? It enhances the speed of execution of a program. Okay, and it is possible to write the efficient programs. Program must be efficient in order to satisfy the user requirement. By making use of this pointer concept, we can write the efficient programs. Okay, and memory is utilized properly. So as we know that we have to declare the variables first. Before using the variables, first we need to declare. Okay, so declare ಮಾಡಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗೋದು? ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗೋದು ಅಲ್ವಾ? So that memory utilization is proper in the sense, now I want to hold some large number of values, then I cannot declare that variable in a int. Okay, that has some memory restriction. Then what could be the data type? It could be either double or float. Okay, so that it's going to use the memory properly. Then now I want to represent any small numbers between 256 and all, then double or float values are not necessary. Why? Because that has a limited storage. because that 256 value can be represented by making use of int only, so that it's going to utilize the memory properly and dynamically allocate and deallocate the memory space. What is another advantage? It's going to allocate the memory dynamically in the sense spontaneously. When you want to use the, if you have declared anywhere in a program, if you have declared a variable anywhere in a program, then it's going to allocate the memory there itself. Okay, no need to wait for the memory allocation. That means it's going to dynamically allocate and deallocate the memory when the weightage or scope of that variables gone, then it's going to deallocate the memory space. And it is easy to deal with hardware components, so that this mainly refers to what? Address of another variables, right? So it's easy to deal with the hardware components, and it establishes a communication between program and data. So that address helps to communicate between the program and data. So now we'll see another some of advantages, and this is important for 3 marks question. Okay, what is pointer and what are the advantages of pointers are important for 3 marks question. So pointers saves the memory space. So how it's going to save the memory space? By declaring the proper variable data type. Okay, and it also enhances the execution speed of a program, and pointers are helpful in allocation and deallocation memory during the execution of a programming. Okay, so that pointers are instruments of dynamic memory management. For dynamic memory management, what we need? Pointers. Okay, that helps the allocation of memory and deallocation of the memory dynamically. Okay, and easy to deal with hardware components, and it establishes a communication between program and data, and pointers are used for file handling. Okay, so pointers concepts are well used in a file handling concepts, and pointers are used to create complex data structures such as linked list, stacks, queues, and trees. So these are the upcoming concept of your programming, that is linked list, stacks, and queue. Okay, so in order to use these complex data structure, we can go with pointer concept. Okay, so now we'll summarize the advantages of pointer. So pointers makes the program simple and it reduces their length. Okay, and pointers helpful in allocation and deallocation of the memory during execution of a program, so that pointers are the instruments of dynamic memory management. Okay, and it also enhances the execution of or execution speed of a program, and pointers are helpful in traversing through arrays and character strings. Then that strings are also arrays of characteristics, that is terminated by what? Null characters, backslash 0. Okay, and the storage of string through pointers saves the memory space. How it's going to save the memory space? By storage of strings. String, it's nothing but stream of characters. Okay, and pointers may be used to pass on arrays, strings, functions, and variables as an argument to the function. Okay, and mainly pointers are used to construct different data structures or complex data structure called linked list, queues, and stacks. Okay, so these are the examples or advantages of the pointer, that why we need to use in our programming. Okay, so these are all the reasons that you have to concentrate. Pointer is a variable that holds a memory address of another variable. To take two variables a and b, then allocate some storage space, then it has a content that points to the another variable in a program. Okay, so this is about the introduction and advantages of the pointer.